how to add status in WhatsApp. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a status on WhatsApp. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Tap on the status tab at the bottom on iPhone or at the top on Android. Next, tap on the plus icon or My Status to add a new update. You can choose to take a photo, record a video, or select an existing media from your gallery. Once you have selected the media from gallery, it can be a photo, video, or anything that is available in your gallery in Android or photo library in iPhone. After that, this screen will appear. Add text, tap the pencil icon, type your message, and customize it with different fonts and colors. Once done, tap the Send button to upload your status. Your status will be visible to your contacts for 24 hours before it disappears automatically. That's all for the video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.